Hello friends and welcome to a new video on Solidworks sketching. So let's start our part by double clicking on this part. And today we'll be drawing this sketch. Please take a screenshot right now. Okay. I hope you have took the screenshot. I have a screenshot with me. So first we'll change the unit to mmgs, that is millimeter gram second. And then we'll select the sketch tool. Select a plane. You can choose any plane. I'm going to take this front plane, and for drawing that, first I'll draw two circles. Okay, and give them the diameters. How did I take this? I used the mouse gestures to take the diameter. How is that? You have to right click and drag up. I've told how to set those up in a previous video. So it's a radius of 15, so diameter is 30. When the circle is not complete in the sketch, they usually dimension it with its radius. Okay, now what's left? We need a central line. So I have a shortcut for central line. I have set this a custom shortcut. You can check how to make it, how to set custom shortcuts, custom mouse gestures in the previous video. Okay, now what is left? Now we just have a simple, this is a relatively simple sketch over here. So we have to draw this and then something like this and then something like this. I'm not letting Solidworks define any auto relations. Okay, now we have to dimension the, how did I take this dimension to? I just right clicked and dragged it. Right click and drag it. That's it. We have this 25 over here, and then we have a let's see, 60 over there. Before that we have these two to be parallel. So how did I do that? When you select two lines, you'll get this box over here which shows the most useful tools over here. If you couldn't catch this, like if you selected this and you moved your cursor so that you miss that, you don't have to worry. All those relations can be added from this place too. And just click on this parallel, add that relation. So right now these two lines are parallel. Okay, I'll just turn on the relations for the time being. Where is this relations? Oh yeah, this is, if you press this, all the relations will become visible. Okay, now we have to dimension from this part to this part over here. It's 60, and then what do we have? 135. This is an angle over here, 135 degrees. Okay, and then we have 12.55 over here, 12.55. Okay, and these two lines are actually perpendicular. I'll make them perpendicular. Okay, what am I missing right now? Okay, I have a 40 dimension from here to the center of the circle. 40. So right now we have to take the trim tool. Where is this trim tool? Trim tool is over here. You just have to click this, and we have different types of trims available. I normally use this power trim. I've also set up the shortcut. So how, instead of going here and pressing here, how I'll take this is just right click and drag. I got that tool over there, and I'll just drag all these unnecessary parts. Okay, if you refer over here, it's fully defined. Now we just have one job left, that is mirroring it. I'm selecting mirror entities, and entities to mirror, I need these things to get mirrored, I need this line to get mirrored, I need this lines, and I need this line to get mirrored, and this line to get mirrored, and this one to mirror about this line. Okay, now we just have to arrange the dimensions properly so that if someone else is checking your drawing, in checking this file, this document, then they'll not feel like, oh my god, these dimensions are properly oriented. Okay, that's it for the first sketch. Now let's go to the second sketch. So friends, now the second sketch we are going to draw is this one. Please take a screenshot right now so that you can refer to it, or you can even take a picture of this thing on your phone. Okay, I hope you have took the screenshot. So first step, changing the unit over here to mmgs. So is this the only way to change the unit? There was another way which I used to do when I just started learning Solidworks. Where was that? Let me check. It was in options and in document properties, in units. Over here you can change it to IPS and then press OK. You check over here, it's IPS. But what do we need? We need mmgs. So I'm selecting mmgs and then selecting the sketch from over here. You can select any plane. I'm gonna choose this front plane. So let's start. Guys, I'm not going into 3D modeling right now because if you have a good idea of sketching, then 3D modeling will be a bit more easier. So I'll finish a few problems in this sketchings and then go to 3D modeling. So the sketch is kind of like this, 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 uh, this, this, and this. That is it. And we have a diamond. We have to give the dimensions from. I'll give this the dimension first. It's 30, and then over here it's 22. Over here it's 36 from here to here, 36, and then it's 44 from here to here, 44, and then this over here is 4, and then what do we have? Dimension from this line to this line is 10, and then dimension from this line to this line is 16. And then, oh my god, what did just happen over here? Okay, and then we have some more things. The dimension from this line to this line is 25, and then this width over here is 5 millimeters, and after that we have this length to be 20 millimeters. Is that it? Okay, right now it's fully defined, but after looking at the sketch, tell me, are we missing something? Let's first arrange these dimensions properly. Over there, this thing over there, this thing over here, over here. Try to arrange your dimensions in a proper manner. Okay, like if someone else is checking your file, then they'll get to know that this is someone who likes keeping their drawings and stuff organized. Okay, that's it. So the thing which we are missing is fillets. So how to give a fillet? It's this command, sketch fillet. So let me check if I have a shortcut for fillet. Yeah, I have a shortcut. This is a shortcut for fillet. If you don't want to use a shortcut, then you can press over here, and then we have to select. Okay, first we have to give a right radius. Radius is 1.5. Only the radius of one fillet is given. That means all the remaining radius are the same. So we have a radius over here, and then so if I do this, okay, over here, those two are the only places where I have to apply fillet. Okay, so our sketch is complete. For the time being, I'll just turn off this relation so that the sketch, okay, right now I'm in fillet. Okay, I'm going to turn off this relation so that it will appear to be a bit more cleaner. Radius of 1.5. I'll just keep it over there. Yeah. So before finishing this off, we have one more thing. How do we save this document? So we just have to click over here, and you can see this floppy disk icon over here. Just click on that, and it will ask you what name do you want to give this. I'll just type okay, I'll just select the default part 3, and if I click on save, that's saved in that location. That's it for saving. So thank you for your time, and have a nice day, and please subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you.